Hello to everyone. This is Joanna. I have a few things to share with you. I'll start with what I got today as far as Bath and Body Works, and then I'll also share what I got the day of the little mini sale. So, I did stop by Chick-fil-A and I got a chicken deluxe sandwich, and I also got a couple of those cookies, which I ate those. But one of my deliveries came. I ordered some more stuff this morning. But today I went to Bath and Body Works because I was worried about this item selling out when they have their body care sale that was supposed to be the 11th and the 12th. And I knew that if I went ahead and got it at the regular price, I could just get an adjustment on that day. So I got it for $13.50. But there was a new little girl in there, and I said I was worried about y'all selling out of this item, so I figured I'd just go ahead and get this now because they did only have like 6 of them in there. So I don't know if they pulled them or they only had 6. They had more of the peppermint, twisted peppermint, and they had way more of the winter candy apple. This is the one that they seem to be selling out of because a lot of people are pointing out they put the caramel back in here. And the only thing I want in this is a cream. Now, I did want to go ahead that day and get the Thousand Wishes in the Mist and the Gel. And I was going to do an order online just because I wanted to use a couple of my rewards, but I changed my mind because I'm trying not to buy a bunch of body care that I don't need. And a cream does me fine until I saw Miss Tess post on, I don't know if it's going to be spring or if it's coming for Christmas. I don't know because I didn't look that far. But strawberry pound cake will be repackaged. There'll be a coconut one. There will be a what was the other one? Chocolate covered cherry. Um Now I do feel like they could have fit the Aspen Caramel Woods in there. They could have even called it Caramel de Leche since they like to change the name of scents that they bring back. They could have added pink petal tea cake in there. They also could have added in there like fresh vanilla. They could have added the cocktails and confetti. Not the one that's in the 20s line, not that whatever it's called confetti, but the actual green cocktails and confetti soap from 2018 or 2017. It was pearlized and it had a really nice scent on it. But anyway, she says, well, we don't know about a sale. And I said, it's okay. I said, I'm not asking if you know. I said, I'm telling you that when it occurs, because I actually, guys, this is what I did. You know how I'm always fussing that I work. They wanted me to come into work yesterday, night shift, and they were offering us bonuses at work. And sometimes I really don't care about a bonus. Like if I need to work over, I just work over. But it is nice when they do offer a bonus. So when they asked me if I wanted to work, I countered with, how about instead of a bonus, I'd be allowed to be off Friday and take my vacation day if okay. They okayed that. So I'm all happy and giddy, guys, because I'm finally off on a Friday. I can go to the body care sale at Bath and Body Works, only for her to tell me they changed it. So I did ask on Instagram, and a couple of people have confirmed that it might be Saturday only. That means that what I'll do is I'll just go out there after work. Now that our buses are running later and they stay open till 9, I can go ahead and do a receipt adjustment then, because I would rather pay full price for my items then. And since I only want the 2, the only thing I'm going to get is a cream. And I have to go out on Burkhart tomorrow because I'm looking for something in Kohl's. And I was looking for a particular blender, and the one that I found is close, but it's missing a button. It's missing the ice crusher button. That doesn't mean that it doesn't do the same thing. That's just me looking for what I'm looking for. But I did get this today. And then what I got the day of their little body care, the little mini sale, I didn't get a whole lot. I actually went ahead, let me get this out of here, and I got a couple more of the crushed candy cane hand creams. And now I have learned from someone's post on Instagram, I think it was Miss Tess's, that there is a crushed candy cane hand gel, which I would like a couple if we get them. We don't have the nice list. That's what I was looking for. I went ahead and got the lotion And the mist, because my mist doesn't have the caramel in it, and I wanted to compare my mist against this mist, and I was going to get a big one, but in the mist, these sizes do me fairly well because it takes me a while to go through them anyway. And then I also got the raspberry swirl lip scrub. I didn't need the mint one, and then they didn't have the coconut lip mask out. um and then I got this pocket back, was cute. Now I went back today, all of these were gone. I don't know if they sold them all or somebody pulled them, because this fragrance I actually like. Now, I haven't smelled it, but they had a passion fruit body lotion way back, like in 2004. So this smells kind of like something they've already had out, and it's not really passion fruit like sweet, but it's a decent scent, and I do like it better than the other ones. And then Victoria's Secret was having their 5 for $35 or something like that, and I was able to show that these were $7.95 or $7.97 online. So I was able to get this online because I have the original velvet petals. And then I was trying to see what else. Today I went into Walmart because, what are they called? I can't believe, guys, I'm so tired. Let me see, not Bed Bath and Beyond, but Best Buy. That's who I'm thinking of, Best Buy. They are pulling their little bait and switch thing, and they keep doing it because the coffee maker that I had to order on the 4th suddenly showed up today. And of course, it showed up while I was gone. And I went in there looking for one of these. And I didn't know that the videos I was looking at was for an 1100 watt, and then this was 1400 watt. But mine is missing the ice crusher button, and Kohl's has the one that I want. So I'm not going to open this yet. If Kohl's has the one that I'm looking for, I'll get it. And it's just a cosmetic preference, guys. Y'all know how I am. But if they have it in store, I'll get it. But according to online, it said not available within 25 miles, not available in store. Sometimes that information is correct, sometimes it's not. But you heard me say that I wanted these Hershey Bars. They're really, really good, and I went ahead and picked up 5 today. This I did get for a good price. There's no reason why I can't keep this. And I think the blender that I'm after at Kohl's does not come with this extra little cup. So I might just keep this because the person's video that I watched that did the ice crushing thing, they had the 1100 watt one, and I think they used this low button here, so I don't need that. I need to quit doing that. Like, I be wanting what I see, and then when it doesn't match up, I get upset, and I shouldn't, because having something is better than nothing. And these are really wonderful blenders, and y'all know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to make frappuccinos. Now that I got these coffee makers going, guys, I am a wannabe barista. That's what I told Miss Body, and I said I have gone coffee maker nuts. But this, I had wanted a new blender anyway because mine was messed up, but this one does a lot. Somebody took one of these blenders and made peanut butter. I'm not going that far, but like the little drinks and things like that. And I'll try to show you all sides of it here. So there's no reason why I can't keep this. And guys, again, $99 was a really, really good price for this. So I'm going to turn it around. This right here was the front of it, and you get that little cup right there, which I can make. I'm wanting to make a green tea frappuccino. I just need to find some matcha powder. And I like to make non-alcoholic drinks because I used to buy the Bacardi daiquiri mix, and on the back of it, it would say, in place of the alcohol, add water. And they were really, really tasty drinks. When my daughter would have company over and birthday parties, I would make those. Y'all heard me tell the story a few years back when my son was 7 and went to the school and told the teacher that his mama made daiquiris. Thank God that teacher knew me, because that could have caused a colossal incident. But I do like it for that. And I think it makes like these smoothie desserts and ice cream. I think the one that I was looking at, the actual buttons up here were smoothie, extract, ice crush, and ice cream, which I could still do a lot of that with this, but I'm not planning on doing that. But this is a really nice blender, and I plan on making caramel and white chocolate and green tea frappuccinos and all of my little smoothie drinks. And I do like this little single cup, so I think I'll be still and just hold on to this. So I was trying to see the next thing that came here. I keep thinking I forgot something because, guys, I have been up since yesterday. I went to work last night and I got off work this morning. I didn't take my full shower, but I had to clean up. I changed my clothes, cleaned myself up because I had to go do laundry and then I had to go out for this machine. And then tomorrow I'm going to the grocery store. So if they don't have that sale tomorrow, that's good too, because I need to rest. And that's the benefit of me getting that Friday off because I knew that I would be tired today. But I'm actually so tired I can't sleep right now, if you can believe that one. So we're going to take this box off of here and I'm going to show you the coffee maker that I got. Another one. This was actually the very first one I ordered before I came across the other two that you guys have seen. So they sent it in the box like this because I was wondering how it was going to come. I do hate that the outer box says what it is because in true fashion, my packages either come when I'm at work or they come when I have to be out. So we're going to take a closer look at this. And this will be the one that I'll have up all the time because when I decided to replace my Keurig, you've heard me say I did not know that this one made iced coffee. I did not know that I could also get one of those special little cups and use my ground coffee in here. So I love all three of my little coffee makers. And I've been eyeballing that Ninja one and I need to stop because I don't need four. But I like this one. I love the Nespresso too. And I'm going to keep it up all winter long, like I said, because I've got coffee coming for it. And I love that I can do lattes and cappuccinos. And I can do some iced coffee from it as well. But this one here is designed to make iced coffee just like the iced coffee maker that I have. But this is the one where I can have hot water. I can have, tea. I can have hot water for tea. And I think this one brews the water just a little bit hotter for, I think, if you enjoy instant cereal, which I don't really like instant oatmeal. And I haven't seen many packets of instant cream of rice or wheat. But I can have the hot water that I need for my tea because I was talking with Live Love Linda and she got an espresso too and she loves it and I love mine as well. But I had told her when she asked what my favorite was, I said I can tell you right now before I even get it, it's going to be this Keurig. The only reason why is because this will be the all-purpose machine for me. In the other apartment that I wanted to move to, I would have had room for both of them, but right now I got to kind of pick and choose one. So I'm going to leave the Nespresso up all winter and then I'll take it down and have this one up, and then the iced coffee maker I can have on the other side of the counter as I need it. But like I said, I like something where I can have hot water as well as coffee. I can use my ground coffee. I can use Keurig coffee. And somewhere in there, I think I've ordered a coffee bean grinder because I used to accidentally buy coffee bean coffee when I didn't know how to, look at it to see that it was ground. And Fresh Time has some really, really nice coffee beans, and I got one for an inexpensive price of just like $29. So we're going to take this out of the box, and I'm going to share with you just what it looks like. And then eventually when I get it set up, I'll show that too, as well as what I plan on doing with this Ninja blender. Now, the other thing I wanted to note really quickly about this blender is if you have children in the house, especially school-age children in the summertime, this thing pulverizes ice into snow. And at first I thought people were just doing that for show because it could do that until I remembered snow cones are a fantastic treat for our kids in the summertime. And I used to always wish at that time years ago that my blenders and things could blend ice that fine. So this right here, you'll be able to make your sorbets. You'll be able to make snow cones for your kids as well as whatever the cool drinks are that you like. So this is the Keurig K Elite, and this is the one that I got from Best Buy, but I ended up having to order it because I'm kind of mad about their little bait and switch. They seem to be doing that a lot. Like every time I see something on sale, I go in there. They want to get you to order it, and I don't want to do that because, like I said, this took a long time to come, and then it came while I wasn't home. And the fact that it said K Elite on the outside box, anybody could have walked away with it. But I'm going to go ahead and try to see about opening this up just to show you. There should be like a coffee sampler in here. And that's what makes these really great gifts is you get a little coffee to start. So I'm going to try to break that seal. Now, the first Keurig that I had, it gave me like 12 coffee, so I don't know what this does. And then the Nespresso gave me a sampler of 12 coffee, so I'm just going to look in here and see what's in here. Now, I know that this thing is supposed to be a water filter, and it gives you this little book here. So I do like how it is packaged up. And then here would be the coffee maker here. And I was trying to see if anything else was in here. I don't see anything. Let me pause for a minute. That's kind of odd because usually there is coffee in here. And the few people that I have seen unbox these, there's usually some form of coffee in there. But right, I don't see anything. Do y'all see anything? Nope. So I was trying to look at the box to see if it said anything about it coming with anything. Because since I ordered this and it had a seal on it, I can't say that anybody meddled with it. But usually these things will come with some kind of coffee. So... and it says that it makes 5 cup sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So that's good. Brew time is 1 minute. And it has a button. I was trying to see if I could find a bigger picture that shows that. Because it has an actual button that will come on the machine for just hot water. And the descaling to clean it, and then the different cup sizes, and then you have a button for iced coffee. So I will have this one up primarily as my main machine, and good thing I've already got coffee because I really thought this would come with it. Every unboxing that I saw on this, but then again, this is a Best Buy product, so that might have something to do with it. It just shows the coffee brands. Now, my first Keurig, I didn't even know coffee came, guys. It came with like 24 K-Cups. And here I had bought coffee, and this time I didn't buy any, and this one doesn't come with it, but I have enough. But I did just want to share that with you. And I will put this up when I take the other one down. But until the next time, everyone, have a great day. And, oh, yeah. Do y'all plan on getting any of the new stuff that Miss Tess showed? I am excited for it. So at the body care sale, I was going to go ahead and I was going to get the 1,000 Wishes Christmas version. I was going to get the mist and I was going to get the gel to go with what I got. But I would rather have the new stuff in addition to, if we ever get the PPW fragrance, we will see, pumpkin pecan waffles. But I just thought that was really, really nice. And again, I need to go back and look because I didn't pay enough attention to see if it's upcoming or if it's coming for the spring. But I know right now, except for the strawberry pound cake, I might get a lotion in that because I have the original strawberry pound cake. And then I have the new pieces that I hauled with the vanilla mocha untouched. So I don't need any more of that. But I'm hoping that it smells as pastel as it looks because y'all know that Victoria's Secret had that version of their vanilla and all that I got over there, that little candy-like version of whatever it was that I got, the La Cremes. So these are looking like that. So I just hope they'll be fantastic and everything. So until the next time, everyone, have a great day.